How to use Stockfish in chess.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stockfish in chess.com. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, simply open up your chess.com. Head over to chess.com and make sure you're logged into your account. After you've done that, if you hover over to this play option on the left hand side, you'll find this pop-up with multiple options. You'll need to head over to your game history. You can go to game history from here. Let me open this up in another tab. Or simply in your normal history or normal page, if you scroll down, you should find your history right here. Now what you'll have to do is wherever you are, there you'll find a review option. Tap on review. It's right here under here as well. Tap on review and it's gonna take some time to review, but it should review it.
Game. Let's review with a
So after it reviews your game, you can start the review by tapping on start review. Now all of these reviews or all of these steps or all of this everything is done by Stockfish, and that's basically how you check Stockfish as well. So as I did just now, if you tap on this magnifying glass, you'll get here that shows that this is done by Stockfish. So if you tap on settings, you can see that it's done by Stockfish 16. The chess engine is Stockfish 16. You can change it from here as well. And if it's not on Stockfish, you can change it from here, from Torch to Stockfish. And that's basically how you do this. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.